What is up, guys? As you guys can see the title, I got a Motordyne XYZ Y pipe. If you're new to the channel, my exhaust setup currently is stock headers, stock cats, and stock Y pipe, and then straight back to a HKS high power big bore muffler. So that's it. A pretty standard exhaust setup, nothing crazy. The reason I got the Motordyne XYZ Y pipe is, first of all, it's gonna be better than my stock Y pipe because it has a resonator. Now with these XYZ pipe, there's a clamp in the middle. You can change to straight pipe, to Y pipe, to resonator or high flow cats. And my setup I bought is resonator, and I got a secondhand for a good enough deal. So I always wanted my exhaust to be fully 3-inch all the way. So yeah, this is a 2.5-inch merge into a 3-inch, which eventually my catback will be full 3-inch. But another reason that I got this Y pipe is because I'm going to have test pipe installed. Now it will sound a lot more high pitch and raspy unless you choose the Motordyne art pipe, which costs you like nearly $1,000. So I've heard that the Motordyne XYZ Y pipe actually have a lot to do with the rasp. You know, when you're driving your car, right? First gear, second gear, run about the 1,800 to 3,000 RPM when you shift, and you hear that annoying hissing noise and then that rasp. Apparently the XYZ Y pipe should help with that majorly. So yeah, I think it's gonna sound good, and without further ado, let's install it. Alright guys, the car is jacked up, so I'm not gonna bother showing you guys taking out those bolts. It's literally 2 bolts each side to the stock cats, and then to the Y pipe, the mid pipe to the white pipe, 2 bolts each side. Super simple. So yeah. Alright guys, so here's my Y pipe. You can see it's out, and here is the Motordyne XYZ pipe. So you guys can see it's quite a bit of difference. So this is 2.5-inch and that is 3-inch. Same as the piping here. Pretty sure the Motordyne is bigger as well. So yeah, I'm gonna chuck that in and then see how the car sounds like. Alright guys, so you can see the exhaust is in the car. A little tip is you always want the C-clamp to face upwards, otherwise it's gonna hang too low, so you're gonna scrape. So yeah, gonna start her up and see how she sounds like. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I'll do a cold start for you guys. guys, so now you've seen the before and after. Honestly, not a night and day difference. Again, it's only a Y pipe, but definitely noticed that after installing the Motordyne Y pipe, the car feels a lot more refined. Like the noise, the rumble noise, it's a lot more refined. Personally, I love the kind of trumpety rumbling VQ noise, if you know what I mean. I don't like a really smooth sounding car, so this is exactly what I want, because I think it makes a rumbling noise a lot more, what do you call it, pronounced, if you know what I mean. So I can't wait to see how the car will sound with the test pipe. Hopefully it's not going to be too loud, but for now the car is decently quiet when it's warm, being, you know, resonated and a big muffler. Even though it's not a big muffler, still helps. So car is not like obnoxiously loud, which is good. Pretty happy with how the exhaust came out. If you guys are thinking about getting the Motordyne XYZ Y pipe, it is 700 something USD, which is quite expensive. Now I did find a replica version on eBay or something. It's about maybe $300 or $300 or something. It is exactly the same, resonated. I think the brand was Circuit Work or something. You guys can go find it out. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, because there's plenty more contents coming, and feel free to drop a link down in the comment section below of what your car sounds like. Without further ado, that'll be it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.